everyone, today I would like to show you this vacuum cleaner. Comes with a charging cable, with charging battery, with different brushes for your carpet, for couch, for floors. Alright, you can adjust the length size as well as the main base. Alright, I'm gonna show you all accessories inside. This is charging battery. The top. Alright, 2 filters and stand, so you can screw it to the wall in your closet, for example. Alright, let's assemble it. First, this part goes inside right here. Okay, and the base. Let's first do this base. Done. Alright, so let's try to use it. Install the battery. Plus it stands. So let's press the button. You can adjust the level. Super fast, so powerful, clean all coffee beans from the floor. Let's clean the carpet. I love the light, so you can see all dust in the corners. This small brush, great to clean all dust inside your couch. Small brush you can use to clean some corners. This is super powerful. Pet hairs. Super easy to clean it. Guys, I will send this vacuum cleaner for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. Super powerful, comes with different brushes so you can clean your carpets, couch, plus comes with battery. You can always recharge it and use it without wireless cable. Big vacuum compartment plus adjustable size, so you can always extend the length if you like. Great product, you can always buy it on Amazon.